Hey YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. So it is Friday morning. Happy Friday. So I'm down here at the cafe and I am waiting on my omelet. Y'all, I just not noticed, and listen, it's new. Look at this table. It's look, look, look. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. And they have one outside as well that looks just like that. It's a coffee table. Okay, so I hope y'all can hear me very well. I also got one of these, lemon basil by Simplicity. And when you know it, we right up under the light. And the light is here. It's Simplicity. Lemon basil, I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So yesterday I was showing you all my nail where it had broken, right? And look, I did a nail repair on it. It's not the best. I'm still learning. Okay, and then this one broke off too, but I still have a little bit of a tip on it, because I had repaired it so many times. Now my repairs only last temporary because I'm only putting gel on top of it. If I was to put like acrylic or something like that, or dip powder, it would be a totally different thing. Okay, so this is the nail repair kit that I use, and I got it from Temu. So it comes with this little clamp, okay? And it comes with these sizers. So it looks just like a nail tip. These sizers look just like a nail tip. If I can get it open. Okay, so what you do is you get one of these little tips. It fell. Okay. You get one of these little tips. About 20 come in here. Okay. And then you size your finger. Okay. So either you say, oh, that's a good fit, or it's too big. Okay. And then actually it would be a better fit for this one. Perfect. Right? And it even have little ridges on it so that you can see how long you want your tip. Then it has a brush. Okay. It has a brush. This file doesn't come with it. This is the file that I use. This cuticle pusher on the end of the file here. You see that little divot? When I'm soaking off my gel polish, once it gets soft, I just use this to kind of help push it up safely so that I don't ruin my nails. And yes, you can push your cuticles back with it because that's what it's for. Okay? Alright, that didn't come with it. And then here you have poly gel, and it's in clear. Here you have poly gel, it's in clear. Okay. And it's very thick. See, it's almost like that flex gel. It's almost like the flex gel. See, it's clear. It's a little milky, but it's clear. You either put it on the inside of here, or you put it directly on your nail, what they call a bead, and it should be like the pea-size amount. Okay, so you put that on your gel on your nails, or either you put it inside your tip, and then you place your tip on your nail and press down, and you will see the product start to spread. Then you take your clip and you clip it on to hold it in place, and then you get your slip. Okay, and you get you a container. These little glass containers that you see at the nail salon, and they're sticking their brush in that little liquid. Then they put it in the powder. So that's what this is, slip. And you put it in. We're gonna pretend like I'm putting it, and then you take your brush and you dip it in your slip, and then you take your finger and you turn your finger upside down, and then you use your brush to spread the rest of the gel smoothly along each side. Okay, you spread it smoothly. Okay, and then you stick it up on the lamp. Beep, 30 seconds. Okay, you just spread it smoothly like this to the shape and the form of the tip. Okay? Okay. Thank you. So I have my other gel polishes. I'm gonna let y'all see, but I'll do that on my break time. Okay, so I'm walking to my building, and I'll record until I walk to the building, because I can eat my omelet at my desk. Hopefully my supervisor's not here. So y'all can walk with me, and I'll show y'all my I ain't even look at it. That's my lemonade. I love it. And I don't think they sell them in stores. I got some prunes at home, so I thought, oh, you know what? Y'all, I forgot my food. I forgot my food. Now I gotta go all the way back here. Let me see. I gotta go all the way back here. Get my food. I'm gonna put y'all on hold because I gotta run and hurry. I forgot my food. I can't believe that, y'all. So I get to look at it while it's here. While I'm in here. Because I just said, I'm going to show y'all my food I forgot to look at. But let me show y'all my nail while we in the light. Not shooting the bird. But this is the nail I repaired. Now, I'm going to put a picture. It's going to be the thumbnail of what it looked like yesterday. But this is what it looked like there. You see how I messed up right there? I didn't do the best job. But you can't see that break. But what you can see is that silk wrap. You can see the silk wrap that I used. Well, I guess y'all came with. I forgot my food. I'm sorry. Let me see. This I don't like inside my food. I don't like that. I do not like that, y'all. So I ain't got time to get no condiments or nothing like that. I'm gonna get a fork. I'm gonna get a fork. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up my video. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend about my channel. I love you for watching to the end. Bye. Y'all not gonna be able to see me eat the omelet because I'm gonna eat this at my desk. Bye.